Okay, I have
Yeah.
started.
Thank you.
Thank you. ठीक है. Okay, so let's move forward. Fresh supply. So we don't have any questions, and I'm moving forward. Fresh supply at ITC due to low prices to COVID. So yes, so this there was a ruling of Fiat Supreme Court. So what happened in case of Fiat? So first of all, I'll give you the case background. Supreme Court ruling. What happened was, let us assume the Fiat was buying car. I don't remember the exact thing. The Fiat was manufacturing, assembling, and importing certain goods at a price of somewhere around 5 to 6 lakhs. However, they were selling the car at 3 lakh rupees, meaning thereby they were selling the car at a price lower than the purchase value. Purchase was for 5 lakh rupees, let's assume a ballpark figure, and the sale was at 3 lakh rupees. So what they wanted to do was they started paying excise at 3 lakh only, saying that this is the sale value. Now, when the Supreme Court went into the depth, they noticed that what was the reason for selling below cost. The reason for selling below cost was that the product will come to market, and then in future people will start using it and people will start liking it, and then they will be able to pull off their sales to a much higher level, and they can then sell their product in an expensive manner and earn profits. So this was the whole judgment of Supreme Court. They said there is an additional consideration. So Supreme Court predicted that the future profits were acting as an additional consideration for Fiat, and thereby these additional profits of future shall be chargeable to tax at this time only. Thereby they said, in case you are selling the goods below your cost price, you still have to pay the taxes at the cost price. What is happening during COVID, what is happening? A lot of people have materials manufactured or materials available with them. Now the market is going down, the prices are going down, they are selling their prices at a throwaway price. They are selling the products at a throwaway prices at a much lower prices. So one of the issue that could arise would be the infamous ruling of Fiat. Can tomorrow department come and say, the Fiat ruling is applicable and you have to pay GST on the this cost price, cost plus 10%, not on your selling price? To my mind, I don't agree to it. Section 15 is very clear that you need to pay the taxes on transaction value only, just to support. There are one or two issues also. This another Supreme Court in case of Nanak refrigeration, selling price will be accepted as assessable value even if it is below manufacturing cost. You can use this. And immediately after the Fiat course, government moved some amendment in the law stating that there will be no additional consideration whenever the price is less than manufacturing cost, and it will be deemed to be a transaction value. So Parliament itself has amended the law because they never intended to use this. It was only the Supreme Court judgment. To my mind, this judgment will not arise, a Fiat should not arise in GST regime. The provisions of GST are very clear. I have just mentioned here for your knowledge purposes. Moving across, so anyone has this problem in this, if this issue, fresh supply at low prices, Fiat case, anyone has an issue, we can discuss. Okay, I'll move forward. This case, I faced it myself. So one of my clients called me up, he's junior most person, and he said कि sir April के महीने की billing मत करना. So we charged him some kind of retainership, and he told me, Rajat ji, April के महीने की billing मत करना. मैंने कहा यार ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है? This is a problem in GST law. So GST law says the billing must happen within 30 days of, or by the due date or on the completion of an event. So in case I have entered into an agreement with my recipient of service on paper, black and white, saying that I will invoice on the first of every month, then even if I have received some calls, even if someone has told me not to invoice because I will be paying GST only, and they are not paying that amount for a long period of time, dear sir, you cannot stop your billing. The billing has to go. You have to bill that person. You have to pay GST, because if tomorrow a tax officer comes and asks you कि साहब आपने billing क्यों नहीं करी, you will say कि साहब उसका फोन आता उन्होंने कहा था billing मत करना, भी हम पेमेंट तो करने नहीं वाले हैं, 6 महीने बाद इकट्ठी बिलिंग करना. Sir, in that case you cannot stop your billing. The person has not There is no change in the agreement. The agreement stays. He is not denying you to pay. He is just saying कि अभी पे नहीं करेंगे तो आप जीएसटी बचा लो अपना. सर ये अलाउड नहीं है लॉ के अंदर. आपको बिलिंग करनी पड़ेगी. आप चाहे वो बिल उसको दो के नहीं दो, आपको जीएसटी चार्ज करना पड़ेगा, नहीं तो कल को इंटरेस्ट लायबिलिटी आएगी. अगर आपको बिलिंग टेम्परली सस्पेंड करनी है, प्लीज फॉलो फॉर्मल communication. Please have an email on record. Please ask them to write no billing for April, May and June. Don't ask them to write ki we are hereby saying that billing should be done after 3 months. So this cannot happen. If you are not taking the services, there can be no billing. They cannot say कि 6 महीने की बिलिंग इकट्ठी कर देना क्योंकि हम पैसा आज नहीं देने वाले. In that way, you are deferring the payment of tax to government. You cannot defer it by deferring the tax invoice. This is not permitted. बाद में आपको tax इंटरेस्ट देना पड़ेगा. सर 35/2020 जिसने सारी चीजें एक्सटेंड करी, बहुत बढ़िया काम करा. एक एक्सेप्शन थी सर उसमें, चैप्टर 4 पूरा टैक्स इनवॉइस का है. उन्होंने कहा जो भी हम एक्सटेंशन दे रहे हैं वो टैक्स इनवॉइस के प्रोविजन पे नहीं लगती है. Meaning thereby you are compulsorily required to issue all the tax invoices on time. If you are sending the goods, that on or before you send the goods, you are required to issue an invoice. Goods have to move under the cover of invoice. In case of services, it has to be due date of payment. In case of services, it has to be completion of that event or 30 days. सर ये सब जरूरी है, करना पड़ेगा आपको. There is no suspension of invoicing. हाँ सर, ये थोड़ा प्रैक्टिकली मैं आपको बता देता हूँ. व्हाट वी सॉ वाज फॉर अ कपल ऑफ आवर क्लाइंट्स, जीएसटीआर 22A हमने ऑल्दो सस्पेंड हो गया, फिर भी मैच करके दिया. और मैच करके हमारे क्लाइंट्स ने थोड़ा सा रिस्क एनालाइज करा, तो व्हाट दे फाउंड वाज more than 20-25% of the vendors would be going bankrupt. So instead of waiting and waiting till this month of September 2020, they as of now has stopped taking their input tax credit because these guys will never be paying their GST. They themselves are saying that vendors would be around 20-25% for. So this I'm talking about one of my clients. They said 25% of my vendors would be bankrupt by the end of this COVID. So such gaps in online filing you may highlight for your clients. They will have to take a close call on them whether their vendors would be paying or not. So this is again the concept of merchant exporter, whereby the taxes are to be done in 90 days, and this also has been extended till 30th of June 2020. Nothing new. Yes, sir. This is a very important point, but I think this is an important point for future perspective. I expect a lot of cesses to be implemented. Kerala flood cess was the first cess that was implemented under GST. It was passed through GST Council. Government revenues are all-time low. Delhi has already put 70% cess. Nagaland has put some cess. Every state is putting some cess or corona fees. So due to this pressure of collections, we will have some kind of cesses. We have to be ready for it. And just for your notice, Delhi High Court has someone has challenged already this special corona fees of 75% on liquor on MRP in Delhi High Court, and Delhi High Court has already issued the notice to government. The matter is listed for 29th of May. So there will be a lot of up and down, whereby government would be imposing some special fees on case of liquor and petroleum as they not being in GST. But I think for GST also certain kind of cesses could be imposed in near future. So tax collections we have already discussed. July 17, March we have given a data, but for the month of this April onwards they are not sharing any data. So that's it, sir. That was my whole presentation about. Now, if anyone has any questions, we would be happy to take them. Sir, if anyone has any questions, I would be happy to take them. If no, then we can close. Pankaj, you will take this?
Yes, sir.
Right, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir. It was a very informative webinar, sir. I guess all the members are quite satisfied about the knowledge which they have got from this webinar, sir. Lots of practical examples, practical situations. So
Thank you so much.
thanks for the
Thank you so much.
information, sir.
The presentation could be shared by you, Pankaj, right?
Yes. I will email
Okay.
it to everyone, sir.
Perfect, sir. Perfect.
Okay, so we'll definitely have more webinars.
Sure.
We will
Sure,
be in
sir.
touch with you, and we can arrange
Perfect,
webinars
sir.
in the near
Perfect. Perfect,
future.
sir.
So thankful to
Thank
you,
you so
sir.
much. Thank
Grateful,
you
sir.
so much.
Thank
Thank you
you.
so much. Bye.
Take care, sir. Bye.